Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reopen Skrill account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen, we have the Add, Transfer, and Exchange. In the bottom, we have, of course, 5 tabs, which are the Home tab, the Card tab, Crypto, we have the Sports tab, and in the bottom right corner, the Rewards tab. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and reopen Skrill account. So first of all, reach out to these Skrill customer servers via live chat, email, or phone. You can find the contact options on the Skrill application in the top left corner here. And here you have Contact Us, as you can see in the middle. And here you can go chat, phone, messages, get instant help. As you can see, you can go and instantly start a chat. When contacting support, provide your full name and primary registered email address. Clearly state that you want to reopen your Skrill account. Follow any additional instructions provided by Skrill support to reactivate your account. If you're unsure about the current status of your account, you can try resetting your password by clicking on the Forget Your Password link on the login page. If your account is still active, you'll be able to exit it and take full advantage of its features. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.